beauties, welcome back for another video. So I'm back with my individual review of the KIMA Braid Harlem 125. This is the Soul Wave. If you have not seen this install, I'm going to leave the iCard right here. Check it out after you finish this video. But as most of you know, I try to wear my hair at least for 2 weeks, maybe like a week and a half to 2 weeks before coming back with the follow-up update. Because we know a lot can change in a matter of a week or two with synthetic hair. So, and also I post my videos like a few days, maybe even a week after the install, so I don't have to go a long amount of time without uploading here on YouTube. So anyway, this is the Soul Wave. I am in my 2.5 week of wearing this hair. And I'm just going to hop right into the video. So if you're interested in how I feel about this hair after wearing it for going in onto the 3rd week, keep on watching. Okay, you guys, so this is the hair. Let me show you guys what it looks like. Like I said, it has been going on 3 weeks now. And remember, it was the long, what, 20 or 22 inches? One of them. So yeah, the hair. Let me go back to this install. I was really trying to compose myself when uploading, or not when uploading. I was really trying to compose myself when installing this hair because I knew this hair was going to be bomb just from the upload. Like sometimes you just know if the hair is good, this hair is good, this hair is horrible. I just knew I was gonna love this hair. I don't know, by the way, this is not a sponsored video. I purchased this hair with my own money, all of that good stuff. Even if it was, I'm still gonna give you guys my honest review on whether I like the hair or don't like the hair. So I don't know what it is with Harlem 125 KIMA Braid hair, but whatever they're doing, they need to keep it up. It is everything that I usually look for in a crochet braiding hair. I'm going to elaborate in just a minute, but I've tried their hair in deep ripple. I've also tried it in ocean wave, and this is my 3rd time trying it. Now the ocean wave, it was a little thinner to me, and it got tangled right up in here for me a lot, but their deep ripple was amazing, as you guys know. And this hair is so amazing. It is like the perfect mix of the deep ripple and the ocean wave together. This hair is what came out, and it is amazingly beautiful. This hair, like when I was installing it, it was like it didn't tangle, it didn't knot up on me. Everything went in good. I was able to secure my knots, so not even having to do 3 to 4 times. Maybe that may go into me splitting it in such small sections when I'm installing. But anyway, this hair is amazing, you guys. It's not what's the word? It's not shiny, which I think a lot of times some of the brands, well, I don't want to say brands, I just say hair. So some of the hair comes off very shiny and very synthetic looking. And I'm not talking about like a natural sheen of the hair. I'm talking about shiny, like plasticky hair. That is how some hair come off, in my opinion. This hair does not. It is very much natural looking. It doesn't tangle. Now I'm not going to say it doesn't tangle at all, but I will say it is little to no tangles. And if there is tangles, you can easily get it out. Like I said, I'm going on my 3rd week of wearing this hair. And like, if I did not record videos, this hair could easily last at least 8 weeks with proper care and proper maintenance. Because usually for me, the average style usually go between 4 to 6 weeks. I think that varies per person, but for me, 4 to 6 weeks out of really good crochet braid to where it still looks very nice and clean and upkept. But for this hair, it just seems like the more you wear it, the longer you wear it, with proper maintenance, it gets like better. This hair is, I cannot say enough good things about this hair. I love even with my manipulation, because like I said, you do have to care for this hair. Like you can't just go to bed like this, or you know, like you just can't. You have to take two sections if you want, like one on this side, one on this side, twist it, spritz it with a little bit of water or mousse, or like a smoothing gel, but not really eco. Well, unless it's one brand of eco that I had that worked really good on deep rip. I can't remember the name of it, but it was like a creamy base consistency. But anyway, I said all that to say, with proper maintenance of this hair can easily last you a good little while, honestly. And the fact that I did braidless and did my invisible parting space, it just looks so incredibly natural. I really cannot say enough good things about this hair, as you guys can tell. I know that deep ripple, Harlem 125 deep ripple was my favorite, but this one is definitely giving me, it's up there with the deep ripple. Okay, so yeah, if you are looking for some hair, now here's the thing. We are just now into the spring months, right? And I don't know if I could wear it deep into the spring when it's hot, because this hair is thicker than the ocean wave. Like, just the hair is just thicker. And I have 4 packs in my hair right now. I have four packs in my hair, and it's just really thick. Thankfully here in Japan it's spring, but it's not as hot, so I can really get away with it. And actually I'll probably end up cutting this hair today. Maybe it's about right here. So if that footage is good, I'll upload that. But anyway, yeah, this hair gets a 10 out of 10 for me. I absolutely love this hair. Nothing but good things to say about this hair. So if you guys are interested, I'll leave the link down below, but I'm sure you could find it at any local beauty supply store, or you know, anywhere that sells crochet braiding hair. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. I will see you in my next one. Bye.